sunny. A 30% chance of snow in the morning. Patchy blowing snow in the morning. Highs in the upper 30s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, not as cool. Partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 50. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Lows in the mid-30s. Tuesday, rain likely. Highs in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 60%. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for this afternoon. Sunny.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is Weather Radio Station.